Is business growing? Well, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But the economy is bad there?
Yes.
People are,
But still, it's not. I can't see it, or it's not in the money for me. It's about the people, and that still new people are coming for the workshops, and then that they are becoming. And you have asked me to contribute the book, which is I count all this to like business growing,
right.
even though it's not like business for me. It's rather like a art, which I'm
Activity.
yeah, that, no, I mean that I don't take it like a business. I still feel more like an artist who is very grateful that some people are willing to pay for my art, really.
Yeah.
But it's been, I don't know, everybody's talking about the crisis, and I didn't know about it. I mean, I didn't see it in my incomes and its jewelry sale, but this year, from the January, I really feel it that people are much more interested in workshops than to buy the jewelry. Or I don't know. It's still great, and it's still like growing, and people are interested in the work and in the workshops, but they're not so willing to pay for this kind of thing. I suppose buy bread is like necessary, but jewelry is not necessary. So the most of my income definitely come from workshops. Yeah, around 4 years, when the polymer clay it's really like big boom about polymer clay here, and not that people want to buy the jewelry or the products, but also learn it. So that's why my workshops are going that well. And really, Petra Nebravová. Petra.
Who? Petra.
Petra.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, Petra. Yeah. So her business with the tools and everything is going very good as well, because people started to really interested in both the jewelry or the made products and making it themselves.
Yeah.
And the opinion, the people used to say it's just a polymer. It's just it
Plastic.
wasn't good enough. Yeah, it
Yeah.
wasn't good enough for them to for artwork. But this is changing as well.